Chicago might not be the first place that comes to mind when you think of great chronographs, but maybe it should be. Because sitting right here is the Oak Oscar Atwood, and it's one of the most convincing modern takes on an American sports chronograph we've seen in a long time. It's got all the right ingredients. There's a panda dial, a manually wound column wheel flyback chronograph with proper vintage proportions, and somehow, despite ticking every enthusiast box imaginable, it feels like its own thing rather than another tribute act dressed up in faux nostalgia. Oak Oscar has been around since 2015, which in microbrand terms basically makes them veterans. Founded by Chase Fancher in Chicago, the brand has built a reputation for watches that feel thoughtful rather than trend chasing, and that really comes through with the Atwood. At first glance, it looks exactly what you'd want from a classic sports chronograph. A 39mm stainless steel case, with fully brushed surfaces, old school pump pushers, drilled lugs, and proportions that feel like someone actually wore vintage watches before designing it. Because too many chronographs today forget that wearability matters. At 39mm wide, 12.9mm thick, including the slightly domed sapphire crystal, and 46.5mm lug to lug, this thing sits exactly where it should. It feels compact, balanced, and properly considered, not oversized for the sake of showroom impact. The finishing leans fully into that retro tool watch personality. The bezel, case, bracelet, and even the pushers are all fully brushed. No unnecessary polishing and no shiny distractions. Even the solid end links are shaped to mimic those old pressed hollow links you'd find on vintage pieces from the 60s and 70s. It feels familiar, but not lazy. Then you get to the dial, and this is where the Atwood really starts flexing. There are 3 panda style options: the navy reverse panda, charcoal reverse panda, and this is the white panda here. And all of them use a clever sandwich dial construction that gives the whole thing far more depth than you'd expect. The lower layer handles the subdials, markers, and chapter ring, while the upper layer stays clean and restrained, carrying little more than the Oak Oscar logo and that barely there minute track around the edge. It keeps everything spacious, sharp, and easy to read. And then there's the orange accents. The subdials get these bright orange details that stop the whole watch from becoming too serious, while the central chronograph hand sweeps across the dial with a big, confident hit of colour, complete with the Oak Oscar logo in the counterbalance. It's one of those small details that tell you that somebody actually cares. Of course, the smooth chronograph action comes from the movement inside, and it's the Sellita AMT 5100M. And this is where Oak Oscar could have taken the easy route, but they didn't. Instead of a standard automatic chronograph, they've gone with a manually wound column wheel flyback movement, visible through the sapphire caseback. That means a proper tactile engagement every time you press the pushers, and a cleaner case profile, and a flyback function that feels genuinely useful rather than a spec sheet flex. You get 50 hours of power reserve, Swiss reliability with Côte de Genève finishing, and a blued column wheel, all in a movement that actually feels worthy of being displayed. Finally, it comes on a fully brushed 3-link stainless steel bracelet with a proper micro adjustment clasp, which frankly should be mandatory in 2026. You also get an olive green textile strap with matching orange stitching, plus a waxed canvas presentation wallet and even an American-made strap tool. It feels complete. Nothing about it feels phoned in, and honestly, that might be the best way to describe the Atwood. It doesn't scream for attention, it doesn't rely on gimmicks, it just quietly gets the details right. And in a world full of vintage-inspired chronographs trying very hard to convince you that they matter, the Oak Oscar Atwood doesn't really need to try that hard. So, if retro-inspired American chronographs are your thing, you can come and see the Oak Oscar Atwood in person, as it's now available at the Time+Tide Watch Discovery Studio in New York City.